Good morning. Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we learnt about the importance of house. Why do we need a house? And how do we keep our houses neat and clean? Today, we will learn about the various types of houses in India. So, let's begin the session. Hut, flat in an apartment block, bungalow, a small house. In cities, we have skyscrapers, which are very tall buildings, each having many flats in them. Some houses, especially in villages, are kacha houses. These are made of mud, straw, bamboo, leaves and sticks. They do not last very long and can be repaired very easily and quickly because everything needed to build the house is available near the house itself, right? Pakka houses are found mainly in the towns and cities. They are made of material which is strong. Bricks, steel, iron and cement are used to build such houses. These last for a long time. In Kashmir and Kerala, we find houseboats which are anchored in water. These are popular with tourists. In the Arctic and North and South Pole regions, we find igloos. Igloos are made of ice. They are warm and cozy inside. A caravan is a house which has wheels. People who move from place to place live in caravans, right? People live in temporary houses made of canvas. It means a type of cloth when they go for camping or live in the forest for a while, right? In parts of northeastern India and other places in East Asia, people living in houses which are perched or top stilts. This type of house is useful in places where there is heavy rainfall and chances of a flood destroying property, right? All of you look at this. This is Ikra house. This type of house is found in the Assam state, right? They are also called the Assam type houses. They are made up of bamboo, sticks, cement and mud, right? Now see, this is a Toda hut. This type of house is found in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is made up of bamboo canes and grass is used to cover the roof. It looks like a barrel, large round container, right? Today we have learnt about the various types of houses in India. Now we will visit the flat that what type of houses are generally made these days, right? have visited the flat. It was so lovely flat. Now all of you got it that what type of houses are generally designed these days? Having drawing room, bedroom, master bedroom, servant room, study room, balcony, kitchen, washroom, right? So today we have learnt about the various types of houses in India. Now see, what's your assignment? You have to write that what are the types of houses, right? What are the types of houses? This is your assignment. You have to write down the answer of this question in your notebook. Whatever you have learned today about the various types of houses, right? Now it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you. See you in the next class.